35-6 to win that conference chance tonight. It's Maddie Huggins, Final Four, Florida State. Huggins down over Alice Velden. Velden, 23-5 on the backstroke to hand up the lead.
Yeah, Ava.
Here
we go, Paige.
Texas A&M, Bobby Kennett moving up. The lead now belongs to Lane Front. Ohio State.
Let's go, Paige.
Paige Hall, the senior.
Let's go, Paige.
Florida State takes over. That's Jenny Holden, the 50-year Lane 4.
Come on, Paige. Here we go, Team.
Aggressive exchange from Arizona State, and they get the lead with 50 yards remaining. Caroline Bentz, the 50-year, winning 6 for Arizona State. She's out in the 10-0. And Bentz is going to slip away with a win for the Sun Devils. Michigan establishing a new conference record this year, leading off Malcachini, 7th seed in the 200 freestyle.
Come on, Sienna.
Alex Walsh leading off the ACC champs Virginia in lane 4. Brooklyn Downright leading off
Come on,
for the
Sienna,
SEC
let's go.
champs Tennessee in lane 5. Can't count out Bella Sims.
Yeah, Sienna.
Florida, the reigning champions in this event. Sims leading the way at 48.93. Valentine for the line of 1. There goes Valentine into the third leg. 26 on the third leg, and Valentine a big lead, but Caroline Brigham underneath the stick around line 6. A sophomore with a top split of 55.6.
Let's go, Aaron.
Annabella, Michigan, 141.59 from Valentine as Bowder enters the water on a half-second lead over Stanford from the lane 6. 141.7 from Whitmer on the opening split. That's not too far from the American record for the Stanford in 2017. Smoke Manuel led off at 141.4. Virginia now with Amy Candy taking over. And Virginia, South Africa.
There you go, Aaron.
Ranked 6th for Stanford. Calvin from Michigan into Louisiana. 11-1 for Ohio State. Lily Nestor, 8 from Texas. Camille State at 5 from Tennessee. Julie Rousseau for Florida. Tyler Southern California. 4, Adam Osh. 5, Emma Jameson. 7, Emma Wyant. 8, Matthew Hodges.
Let's go, Tia.
What a show! He snapped the cover to line 6. Looking Norman. Throwing down as we await the final exchange as the Nicolay Slippers step up and prepare for the final leg. Freshman from Virginia, Adam Mosh, Norman King, up into the top 3 in Michigan. Delgado, and here comes Texas in lane 3. Then the chase the Texas freshman gets her team into the top 5.
One,
Here
Rachel.
is from Virginia 2nd, Michigan 3rd, and 4th USC from lane 8. All exchanges claimed as a Nicolay Slippers in 1, Rachel Buckrath. 2, Crystal Leanne. 3, Taylor Mosey. 4 is Katie Braun. 5, Josephine Ford. 6, Taylor Wilson. 7, Diamond. Remaining unlisted. Stanford and runner-up of the ACC championship, 651.7. Katie Braun